Hi guys, let me show you how to replace the bulb on the third brake light on a E12 Toyota Corolla hatchback. The bulb is a W21W bulb. As you can see, a smaller glass socket bulb, quite an odd size. This one is quite blown out. You don't need any tools to replace it, so I'm just gonna open the boot lid. And then under here there's this plastic cover which has some knobs down here and down here on this side, so you can just grab it here and pull it off quite easily. It helps when the sun warms it up. Then you have the actual casing. So for this one, this has two tabs down here which you can bend up, and then it has under here it has some tabs which are permanent. And so what you need to do is you need to kind of lift this up and unhook the top tabs, or you can try to push it down and unhook the ones from the top. Yeah, that works better. You can see this one is a permanent. Pushing it down and then folding it downwards is the best way. Now we have the socket holder, and then in here it fires. As you can see, it's not even sealed. So this you can just untwist and then put in the new bulb. The new bulb, you just stick it in. You can see the two contact, the two brass pieces down there. We line up the glass socket and then just press it in, and that's basically it. Put in the lamp holder, and then as you can see it has these notches in here, so you put it in there with the notches and then twist it to lock it in. After it's twisted in, you can just put this back. It's a bit finicky, but just put it here, and then basically you can just push it in, press it down again, and make sure the top hooks are in so it doesn't move out like this. It will move a little bit, but I can feel that the hooks are in. And that's basically it. Just put the cover back on. Make sure all those tabs, you can see there are ones on the edges too, all those tabs align, and then just press this cover back in. And that's it, all buttoned up and you are done. Very easy to do, completely toolless. Only issue is that the bulbs, the W16W bulbs, are quite an odd size, so you may have a hard time finding them, but you can just order them online. They are not very expensive there. That's it. Thank you for watching. If I helped you, consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.